So here you have quadratic function f of x is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 4 between minus 3 and 1. So in the domain is the values for x which we're substituting. So in this case here we have x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 0, and x equal to 1. So they're your values that you're substituting in for x. Okay? Now, everywhere you see your x, you're replacing with brackets minus 3 cubed plus 4 times minus 3 squared plus 3 times minus 3 minus 4. And type that in on your calculator. So take your time putting it in on the calculator. And you get out minus 4. So minus 3 minus 4. When x is minus 2 cubed, 4 times minus 2 squared, 3 times minus 2 minus 4, and you get out, so use your calculator again, and you get out minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2. When x is minus 1, so minus 1 cubed, plus 4 times minus 1 squared, 3 times minus 1, take away 4, is equal to minus 4. So minus 1 and minus 4. When x is 0, it's 0 cubed, 4 times 0 squared, 3 times 0, take away 4, and that gives me minus 4 again. So 0 and minus 4. And finally, when x is 1, 1 cubed, 4 times 1 squared, 3 times 1, take away 4, we get our answer is plus 4. Okay, so 1 and 4. Okay, now just be very careful when you're drawing this out because you have 4s, you have minus 4s, right? So give yourself loads of room for your x and your y axis. So your x and your y axis. X and y. On the x axis we need to go 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. On the y axis we need to get up as far as 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So it goes minus 3 up to minus 4. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, 0, minus 4, and 1 up to 4. Now plot them in the order in which we put the dots. So up, down, around, and you're finished. Okay, so that's x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 4. Okay, so that's the first graph drawn for you. Now, the second graph. Here we're going from minus 4 all the way across to 2. So x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 0, x is 1, x is 2. So just be careful here again. The first one you're putting up is minus 4 cubed, 3 times minus 4 squared, minus, and in brackets minus 4. Always use brackets. Take away 3 equals. Now get your calculator set up again. Type in your function, x cubed plus 3 times minus 4 squared minus 4 in brackets and the first one we get out is minus 15. So minus 4 and minus 15. When x is minus 3 in brackets, 3 times minus 3 squared minus bracket minus 3, take away 3, we get 0. So minus 3 and 0. When x is minus 2 squared, 3 times minus 2 cubed, this should be cubed here, minus, and in brackets minus 2, minus 3, we get 3. Minus 2, 3. So minus 1 cubed plus 3 times minus 1 squared minus, in brackets minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 1 and 0. When x is 0, 0 cubed, 3 times 0 squared minus, in brackets 0 minus 3 gives me minus 3. So 0 minus 3. When x is 1, we have 1 cubed, 3 times 1 squared minus 1 minus 3 again is equal to 0. So 1 and 0. And lastly, when x is 2, 2 cubed is 8. 3 times 2 squared is 4. Take away 2. Take away 3 is equal to 8 plus 3 times 4 is 20. Take away 2 is 18. Take away 3 is equal to 15. So 2 and 15. Okay? And again, you're going to draw this out on your graph. So we're going to have our x and our y axis, like so. Now I might not be able to get up to 15, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that's our y-axis and our x-axis. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And positive 1, 2. And I need to get up as far as 15 and down to minus 15. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, just enough room for 15, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16. Okay, so just enough room on the graph. And minus 4 goes down as far as minus 15. So somewhere here. So that's minus 4 and minus 15. Minus 3 up to 0. So minus 3, 0. Minus 2 up as far as 3. Minus 2, 3. Minus 1, 0. So minus 1, 0. 0 down to minus 3. So 0 minus 3. 1, 0. So 1, 0. and lastly 2 a whole way up to 15. 2, 15. And join them very carefully. Okay, so freehand without using a ruler, and make sure you hit all the points. Turn, down, turn, and back up. Like so. And that's your graph: x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3. Okay.